Rte.11, Ypsi-South, from the YTC, the Ypsi Transit Center. This is a loop run. Fare box should always remain on inbound. From the stand at the YTC, we're going to continue on Pearl. Going to make a left turn at the stop sign, which is North Adams. At the stoplight is Michigan Avenue. I'm going to make a left turn. Crossing Washington Street. Crossing Huron. Our stop is approaching right in the middle of this decline. Note stop. The number 11 route shares some of the same streets as the number 20 until it reaches I-94. Continuing on Michigan Avenue. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. At the light is Prospect. We want to make a right turn. Be very careful making this turn. It turns into a very narrow street. You may want to exercise some type of button hook or slow down feature if you can, in order to make a smooth transition into that stop, into that turn. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. We're going to continue straight through the stoplight. On the left is Mars. On the right, it becomes Factory. Just as a point of note. We're going to continue through the intersection here at the light. At the stop sign, we're going to make a left onto Grove. I'm going to make sure you do a complete turn, check to the right, and certain no traffic is approaching. Immediately after the turn, there's a stop. Continuing on Grove, we're going to cross I-94. make a left turn onto the 94 service drive here at the gas station. Again, the 20 route and the 11 route is the same until we reach this point. After we service this stop, the number 20 will keep straight. We're doing the number 11. We're going to make a right turn here at Emmerich. Mid-block there is a stop. Service the stop here. Continue to the stop sign. We're going to make a right turn back on the Grove. So basically what we're doing is we're making the block. We're going to go back down Grove. Stop sign here. Crossing over I-94 again. So we stop approaching. Back there at Emmerich is a tying point where the 11 and the 20 splits. Coming up to Factory here at the traffic light, we're gonna make a left turn. Make a left turn into Factory. After the light, there is a stop. The street turns into Spring right here. We're now on Spring. The next street after the bridge, we're going to make a right turn. Then we're making our right onto Catherine. Just gonna follow it around. We're gonna make a left turn onto Chittister, but it's a very narrow street. Comes up, look at the guardrail on the right side. At the very end of the guardrail, the street is on the left. You don't want to blow back past it in the snow. We're gonna make a left turn here. And as you can see, the street is somewhat narrow. The next stop is at Chittister Place. We utilize this as a tying point, but this is a very popular destination for pickups as well as drop-offs, as it services Chittister Place here, right here. Continuing on to the stop sign. Back to Spring, here at the stop sign, we're going to make a right turn. After we've made our right turn on the Spring, at the very top of the hill, there's a stop. If the light is here on, we're going to continue straight through. Just as you pass the street here, there is a stop that services the service centers on the right. After you've serviced the stop right here, you get over to the left lane as quickly and safely as you can. After you've crossed Hamilton here at the traffic light, our next turn is a left turn onto Perry. Make our left turn here at the Perry Learning Center. Immediately after the turn, there is a stop. This is a time point. Stop here. Continuing straight forward. The route goes through a neighborhood. A lot of short turns. At the stop sign, we're going to make a right here at Monroe. Short streets, I should say. At the stop sign, it's Hawkins. There's a bus stop at the stop sign. Here at Hawkins, we're going to make a left. Stop sign is Jefferson. There's a bus stop. Making a right turn. Stop approaching. At the stop sign, there is a bus stop. We want to make a right turn here. We're turning on to First Avenue. We will stay on First Avenue until we reach Michigan. First Avenue is going to take us out of the residential area. So we'll just stay on here till we've reached Michigan Avenue. Continue through the stop sign here at Monroe. Stop approaching. There's a stop coming up at the next corner at Frederick. Stop here. Continuing on First Avenue. There's one more serviceable stop. Coming up mid-block. At the traffic light is Michigan Avenue. We're going to make a right turn. This is a time point. This is the last time point before we reach back to the YTC. Stop approaching. For a little ways, we share a portion of Michigan Avenue with the inbound 6A. Stop approaching. Stop approaching here at the Ypsi-South Police Department. Stop approaching. At the stoplight is Hamilton. We're going to make a right turn on Hamilton. Gonna get all the way over to the left lane. Gonna make a quick left turn here at Ferris. Comes up rather quickly. After we make the left turn, there is a stop here. That stop sign is Adams, South Adams. We're gonna make a left turn at the stop sign. As we're approaching Michigan, gonna go through the traffic light here in Michigan. Crossing the light here at Michigan Ave. You'll see our transit center come into view on the right. However, we're not done. We're gonna stop here at Pearl. We're going to continue forward. We're going to make the block so we can pull into our stand. However, if you are running late and you have transfers for the outbound 4 or 5, here's a good place to drop them off right here at this first bus stop here at the stop sign, so that 4 and 5 can pick them up. We're going to make a right turn here at Washtenaw. Again, we're basically making the block so that we can pull into our stand. Here at Washington, we'll make a right at the stop sign here. And here at Pearl, we're gonna make a right turn. And this concludes the number 11 Ypsi-South here at the YTC.